Renonama. Falcha. Welcome to my daily lesson, trying to connect with my ancestor. So I have dark chocolate, actually. So I do this every day. Listen to Gaeilge on the radio, telly. As a matter of fact, on my phone, my apps, I have TG4, and I have it on the television. In an attempt to immerse myself in the Gaeilge. So let's begin, because I'm not very good, so please be patient with me. And there's so many questions I have. Like, words are pronounced differently according to different regions in Ireland. That's what I'm guessing. I was taught to say dia ditch, to say hello. But I've heard dia quitch, and I'm not sure which one's correct or if they all are correct. So I'm hoping I'm not offending anyone. Except for the Sasanach, I don't care. So let's see. We're gonna do a review, is what I'm doing actually. So let's try this. I love is Lebrealum.
Isbralum.
Isbralum. See? Still pronounce words English style. Oh, and I hate that. Sometimes growing up over here, I wish I grew up over there.
Isbralum.
Isbralum. I love. Is it correct? Isbralum. It's correct.
Ismahlum dera Toshi Spatial.
Ismath. What?
Ismahlum dera Toshi Spatial.
Ismahlum dera Tase Spatial. Ismahlum dera Tase Spatial. I like dairy. It's interesting. Spatial. See, there's a couple of the words I confuse a lot, like sproul, spatial, like that. So.
Ismahlum dera Toshi Spatial.
Ismahlum dera Tase Spatial. I like dairy. It's interesting. Correct. Lively. Oh. Lively. Brever? Brever.
Brever.
Brever is lively. Correct.
Gaeilge. Gaeilge Conier.
Gal.
No, less scale.
Leshgale.
Gaeilge. Gaeilge Conier.
Gaeilge Coniort. Gaeilge scale. Excuse me, where is... It's Kone. Where do you live? Excuse me, where do you live? See? I swear to God, I was thinking Kone. For some reason, I keep thinking city. I know I should be having a whiskey.
Gaeilge. Gaeilge Conier.
Gamoleskel. Cawod Conior.
An bhfuil tú ag dír óhain inis. An bhfuil tú ag dír óhain inis.
And will too. Oh, are you in Tyrone Anish? I think is now. So, and will too. Tier Ewan Anish. Owen Anish.
An bhfuil tú ag dír óhain inis.
Owen. And will too. Tier Owen Anish. Are you in Tyrone? Now. I've never heard of a town called Tyrone. Is it a big town? Here's the thing. Well, let's see if I'm correct. I'm correct. I actually haven't been to Ireland yet. And that is number one on my bucket list. I would like to see Norway. I would like to see Israel. I would like to see Romania, even Spain. I've been to Asia, gorgeous over there. But my heart belongs to Ireland. My family and all. So, my question is, where should I go? Number one is my sons and I are going to the brewery in Dublin. You know, the brewery. We're going to share a pint of Guinness. My younger son, he doesn't like it. He's too young anyway. But he's going to have one anyway. And he said, what if I don't like it? Too bad. You're going to drink it anyway, I told him. Before I'm 6 feet deep, we're doing that. And I was looking at prices today, and it's not bad. I think it's quite doable to go to Ireland. Can I move there? Gaeilge? Yeah, it's a Gaeilge. That's where I would like to live. Where they don't speak Gaeilge, no, you know, all Gaeilge, because I want to get better. Hi.
Tá mo bháthair ag gCorcaigh inniu. Tá mo bháthair ag gCorcaigh inniu.
Tamo Wahir.
Tá mo bháthair ag gCorcaigh inniu.
Tamo Wahir. Igurki. In you. My mother is in Cork today. My mother is in Cork today, correct. She's not in Cork today, she's that way. My mother's over there. Over there. In the Philippines would be over there. Slancha. It's actually not wine, it's a fizzy gin drink. I don't know what the heck it is. But I don't have those fancy. I have my pint mugs. I have a Viking mug made out of the horn of a bull, and wine glasses. Oh, hey squirrel. And my next little one is called a passion mojito. That's next. So let's go on to the next lesson.
Tá mé nera a ríis. Tá mé nera a ríis.
Sorry, earthquake.
Tá mé nera a ríis.
Tame Inira and Arish. I'm in Derry again. Correcto mundo. Someone's walking by.
Tá Coniar in Neraris. Tá Coniar in Neraris.
That's it.
Connie. Ag nera.
Iris. Tá Coniar in Neraris.
Takoni Orm Inira Arish. I live in Derry again. I live in Derry again. I'm doing good today. I usually when I do these lessons. There's a few things I do. What is it? Gaeilge with Molly? Irish with Molly, I think it's called. I think that's it. She uses the Bearla words. Irish with Molly. Molly, anyway, she's a Gaeilge teacher over there. I take lessons from her. And Pimsleur. And this is this one. I try to get a nice broad reach. And I'm speaking way too much Bearla, but bear in mind, this is Canada. Canada? I'm kind of, well, whatever. Currently, oh man, currently,
Filar.
I think that's it, Filar. Oh, I'm correct. Let's make it a bit harder. It's lively in Connemara today. Oh, I have to translate that. It's lively in Connemara today. Every city I hear on this place I want to visit. Tase.
Sí.
River.
River.
In
Connemara.
Inu. Tase Briver y Connemara Inu. Translate this sentence. I'm in Galway today again.
Ta
Me.
Tame E. Naliv. See, I gotta remember that for Galway. See, Bearla is Galway. And then Gaeilge, Nariv, and Naliv. And I like olives, so I should remember that. It's my weird association. So I'm in Galway today, and you, Irish.
Arish.
I like Galway because it's lively. Is Matthew
Gaeilge.
Marta Se
Sí.
Briver.
River.
Is Matthew Gaeilge Marta Se Briver. Perfect. Am I human? Apparently I'm a green, weird-looking owl unicorn. This app's kind of like, something special.
Did you know you could try?
You be quiet. So there you have it. This it doesn't take long for this lesson. It's just a quick one. And it's a review. And the problem is it's so easy to sit here and listen to I keep hitting the table on my apologies. To listen to this and then repeat. I'm parroting. It's easy. Oh, Irish is easy. Gaeilge is so easy to speak. And then when I speak it, I'm Bearla, and I don't like that. So I apologize to my country folk, my fellow countrymen, to my fellow Irishmen. And like I said, if you can, please comment. Give me pointers, give me tips. Correct my pronunciation. And the earthquake again, sorry, but be kind. Because, let's face it, the Irish, we have a hard enough life. You be quiet. 100. See, that's how many days I've been doing this, 100 days. I can do that. Let's pick a song to go with this. I want an Irish tune. I don't, oh, you know what? Kneecap. I can't spell kneecap. What's the first one that comes up? This one.
Fucking Godzilla Rocket Race! Fucking Godzilla Rocket Race! Party up with me, party up! Fucking Godzilla Rocket
It's a bit of a swearing, but you know what? There we go. To my stories. Like I said. By the time I'm done this journey, I'll be, hopefully these videos will be 100% in Gaeilge. Ooh, chocolate, the last piece. So please help. Feel love and support. That's the Asian influence I have, 'cause my wife is Asian. Nothing against Irish lasses. I would have loved to marry an Irish woman, but this one caught my heart, so definitely would never marry a Canadian girl. Never again. Did that once. That was a huge mistake. So I am trying a complete mental block, and I keep hitting the table. I'm moving back a bit. What I want to say is thank you. Goromagat. Goromagat. August Slango for.